So let's take the first question, and that is how to improve the credit rating. So let's understand what is credit rating. So क्रेडिट रेटिंग क्या है? क्रेडिट रेटिंग ये है कि जब कोई कंपनी डेट के थ्रू पैसा रेज करना चाहती है, it is mandatory for this company to get rating done from a rating agency like CRISIL, ICRA, CARE and so many of them. तो उनको अपने इंस्ट्रूमेंट की रेटिंग करानी होती है. प्लीज़ रिमेंबर, रेटिंग कंपनी की नहीं है, रेटिंग इंस्ट्रूमेंट की है. तो उनको इंस्ट्रूमेंट की रेटिंग करानी पड़ती है. और वो रेटिंग क्या सिग्निफाई करती है? वो रेटिंग सिग्निफाई करती है कि ये जो कंपनी डेट इंस्ट्रूमेंट इशू कर रही है, तो इस कंपनी की इस डेट को सर्विस करने की क्या कैपेबिलिटी है, इस कंपनी की इस डेट को टाइम पर वापस करने की क्या कैपेबिलिटी है. दिस इज द रेटिंग विच इज डन बाय द क्रेडिट रेटिंग एजेंसीज. So basically what they are trying to find out, they are trying to find out your competency, capability as a business organization to be able to service that debt which you are raising and to be able to repay that debt on time when you are raising. अब आप समझ सकते हैं कि इसकी रेटिंग के लिए सबसे बड़ा पैरामीटर क्या होगा. इसकी रेटिंग के लिए सबसे बड़ा पैरामीटर होगा कि कंपनी की एबिडा कैसी है. यस और नो? आर यू विद मी एवरीबॉडी? क्योंकि अल्टीमेटली इंटरेस्ट कहाँ से पे करोगे? इंटरेस्ट आप पे करोगे द कैश दैट यू आर जनरेटिंग फ्रॉम योर ऑपरेशंस. एंड विच इज द कैश दैट यू आर जनरेटिंग फ्रॉम द ऑपरेशंस? इट इज एबिडा. So one is EBITDA. So EBITDA is one thing that you would look at. Then of course efficiencies in the organization, the promoter's background, the past history of the organization with regard to the debt and equity that they must have raised in the past. So the economic situation, the industry in which that company are. So basically you will need to undertake something which is known as GEIC analysis. So what is GEIC analysis? GEIC analysis is global economy, industry and company analysis. So let me write it for you. So it is known as GEIC analysis. GEIC analysis. So in this GEIC analysis, please remember the companies who would raise money by way of debt obviously are not going to be small company. These are the players which are global players. So you do the GEIC analysis. Number one, you look at the global scenario, global economic scenario as to how it is. Then you zero down to the economic analysis. जिस कंपनी में ये जिस कंट्री में ये कंपनी है, उस कंट्री की इकोनॉमिक सिचुएशन कैसी है. So today if you look at the economic analysis of our country, extremely positive. As a matter of fact, India's economy has never been as good ever in the past as it is today. Yes or no? So you look at the economic analysis. Then the industry in which you are. So are you in a sunset industry or a sunrise industry? So if you are a company which is into AI or ML, obviously your potential, your EBITDA potential is extremely high. So therefore you are likely to get very good credit rating because you would be able to repay the debt and service it right. So then come down to the company, and when I come down to the company, as I said, you look at the promoter's background, management team, technology that the company has adopted, the other group companies which are there in the group, and then the associates of the company, the management of the company, CEO company का कौन है, उसका क्या background है, CFO कौन है, उसका क्या background है. तो ये सारी information आप the credit rating agency will ask you, and based on that they will be able to give your credit analysis. So the prime number among the all, EBITDA is the master number actually. Everything else of course. So they will not only look at EBITDA, but they will also look at certainty of the future EBITDA. Please remember, as I said earlier, you don't look at EBITDA only of the current year. What is more important is the EBITDA of the future years, and that the credit rating agency will find out. Well, they have software, they have got database, they have got everything. So using all the tools that they have, they'll find out कि whatever EBITDA that you are projecting for future, how sustainable or how realistic they are, and this is how they will do the credit rating analysis. So your